Okay, we're going to take our wire strippers and we're going to select the right size for the wire, and we'll strip some of the plastic insulation off. Then we twist our wire so that it'll go into the connector. Some people call these crimps and some people call these crimping tools. These are two different styles here. This one here is a wire stripper, and this one is a wire cutter and a stripper. Somebody's dropped it and broke the tip off here. We're going to try to crimp this wire into a blue connector, which is for this correct size. The yellow connectors are for the larger gauge wire, and we would stick our wire down in there like that. And if we had to use one of these for a smaller wire, I'd want to bend the wire over and double it. But this one, the blue one, is the correct size. Now if you'll look at the connector, you'll notice that down inside there's a piece of metal. It's a metal barrel. That's the actual electrical connection. If you just crimp the plastic, you don't make a connection. And you don't have any strength in the actual crimp. So I'm going to take the crimpers and I'm going to put them on to where the metal barrel would be, not on the plastic skirt. These are not waterproof connectors. I'm going to crimp that, and then I'm going to check it and make sure it doesn't pull apart. This one here, I'll do the same way. I've got it up into the metal barrel, and I'm going to use this crimp here like this. And once again, I'm going to put some pressure on it and give it a good crimp. This tool here would use the different slots that are color coded for the plastic, the color of the plastic. The red ones are for the smaller size wires, and they're really small. And these blue ones are for like from a 10 to a 14 gauge, and these are from a 8 to a 10 gauge. These are for like a 16 gauge. Your gauge sizes, you can get a rough idea of the gauge sizes by looking at these holes here. This would be where you would put the wire in, and you could cut it and place it in the right hole size and strip it at the same time. Give it a twist like that. If you've got any extra wires, just trim it and place it in the crimp again, making sure that it goes down into the metal past the skirt. And then you would use the crimper, and I like to use this one right here, and give it a good solid crimp. Any questions? That's it.